Welcome to Best Choice. The best Dremel storage case is probably one of the most underrated accessories for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Keeping your Dremel tools and accessories organized can save you time and frustration. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, build quality, and overall value of the Dremel storage case, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. So, let's get started and see what makes this case stand out. Number 5. MATEIN Cable Organizer Bag. Tired of tangled cords and misplaced accessories? This organizer is designed with multiple pockets and elastic bands to keep everything in its place. It's perfect for USB cables, chargers, and even tablets up to 12.9 inches. The bag features removable padded dividers, allowing you to create the perfect layout for your needs. Whether you're traveling or just organizing at home, this gadget is a great choice. Measuring at 12.4 by 3.94 by 10.04 inches, it's the perfect size for travel. Easily fits into your backpack or luggage, making it ideal for business trips or family use. Made from waterproof and shockproof material, this case protects your electronics from scratches, dust, and accidental drops. The sturdy construction ensures your items stay safe. With a sturdy handle and smooth zippers, it's easy to carry and access your accessories. If you're looking for a great gift, this cord organizer is perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any special occasion. What we like. This organizer boasts a double-layer design and multiple pockets, keeping everything neatly arranged. It also features removable dividers, allowing you to customize the layout to your needs. If you are looking for a travel-friendly solution to keep all your electronics accessories in order, this is the one for you. What people say. Very roomy, holds my electric screwdriver, additional sets, phone charging wire and more. Lots of holding spaces for cords, cables, some roomy mesh pockets, and plenty of open space which can be divided up into smaller sections if needed. The elastic bands hold cords securely, the mesh pockets fit the loose stuff, and the whole case feels sturdy with a smooth zipper. Number 4. Aenllosi Dremel Lite 7760 Rotary Tool Hard Carrying Case. This is a shockproof, dustproof, and water-resistant case. It is designed to protect your device from any potential damage like bumps or scratches. The case ensures your device is safe. It is designed to keep it in good condition. Inside, there's a mesh pocket for storing accessories. This provides a convenient way to keep everything organized. The heavy-duty zippers are smooth and easy to use. They allow for quick and easy access to the device. Please note that this is for the case only. The device and any accessories are not included. What we like. This case offers shockproof and water-resistant protection, safeguarding your device from the elements. The internal mesh pocket is perfect for storing accessories. If you prioritize robust protection and simple organization for your Dremel, this case is an excellent choice. What people say. Sturdy and functional. Fits stemmed and accessories well. Highly durable and well-made case. There's more than enough room in it for what I'm suing it for, which is my dog nail clippers, Dremel, and brush. The cords fit in there well and I'm not worried at all about anything getting damaged. The zipper works great, and everything is securely in place while closed. This fits my Casfui nail grinder perfectly. It is a hard protective case with 2 netted pockets to store things. I put the charger in there. The zipper is also very nice. Number 3. Dremel Lite 7760 PawControl Rotary Tool Case. This case is specifically designed for the Dremel Lite 7760 and PawControl rotary tools. It has a mesh pocket inside, perfect for storing your charger and accessories. It's the ideal companion for your tool. Made from premium EVA material, this case offers excellent shockproof protection. It keeps all the parts together and organized, protecting the tool from impacts and scratches. The unique groove design prevents the tool from shaking or falling out. The case is large enough to hold your cordless Dremel tool and features an internal zipper mesh pocket. This is great for storing the charger, cords, manuals, and other attachments. You can easily manage your rotary tools and accessories. With a firm handle strap, it's easy to carry your Dremel rotary tools anywhere. It keeps your device safe and handy, perfect for home or outdoor use. The sturdy zipper ensures easy opening and closing. This organizer makes a nice present for anyone who uses Dremel cordless tools. It's a thoughtful gift that provides both protection and organization. If you have any problems, we'll solve it as soon as possible. What we like. This case is precisely designed to fit your rotary tool, with a compact form factor that makes it easy to carry. It also includes a sturdy handle for convenient portability. If you need a reliable and portable case for your Dremel, this one is perfect for both home and outdoor use. What people say. It gives our Dremel proper protection by fitting it perfectly and allows you to keep all the parts organized. It fits the rotary tool perfectly and has an additional storage area for the charge cord, charge plug and the small tool accessories box that came with my Dremel 7760. Perfect fit for the Dremel Lite. Number 2. LTGEM Dremel Versa Cleaning Tool Hard Case. This case is designed specifically for the Dremel Versa cleaning tool. It has precision-molded compartments to securely hold the tool and all its attachments. This keeps everything organized and protected. Made from high-quality EVA material, this case is built to last. It offers impact resistance, scratch protection, and moisture resistance. This helps safeguard your tool from damage. The case is lightweight and compact, with a comfortable handle. This makes it easy to carry and store. It's ideal for both home storage and travel. Inside, there's a built-in mesh pocket for small accessories. This provides efficient storage and keeps everything neatly arranged. You can easily access everything you need. This protective case combines sturdy construction with excellent storage. It ensures long-term durability and reliable protection for your Dremel Versa cleaning tool. You can trust it to keep your tool safe. What we like. This case is custom fit for your Dremel Versa, ensuring everything stays organized. Crafted from durable EVA material, it provides excellent protection against impacts and moisture. If you value a compact and well-organized storage solution for your cleaning tool, this case is a great choice. What people say. Fits Dremel perfectly and is very sturdy and great quality. Fits scrubber and accessories perfectly. Works perfect for tool, would definitely recommend. Case seems durable. Number 1. Maoershan Hard EVA Case for Dremel Lite Rotary Tool. This sturdy case is designed specifically for your Dremel Lite rotary tool. It provides excellent protection for your device. Made from hard EVA material, it's shockproof, wear-resistant, and scratch-proof. This ensures the tool is well protected during use and travel. The compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel. It's easy to carry, keeping your tool organized and accessible wherever you go. Featuring a double zipper design, it allows for easy access to your tool and accessories. Opening and closing the case is quick and simple. The case has a large capacity, designed to accommodate your tool even when it is covered with a protection shell. It keeps everything organized. What we like. This hard shell case is perfect for travel, keeping your Dremel safe and sound on the go. Its double zipper design provides easy access to your tools and accessories. If you're a frequent traveler who needs a sturdy and convenient case for your Dremel, this is the ideal option. What people say. These are great for tools or items that should have come with a case, but did not. I've bought these in various sizes to house tools and better organize things. Great case, just need to shift your items around to make it fit. The drill needs to be shifted to one side of the case while putting your charger and container on the other side to fit nicely. Other than that, it's a great compact case to store your Dremel. Good value for storing and protecting the tool. I use it almost daily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.